What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video on why I don't convince people to make money. Hey, what the fuck is you doing? Yeah, what's the problem, boss? Get the fuck off your phone. We ain't paying you to be on Twitter. Yes, sir, I'll close it up right now. Hey, excuse me, sir. I know you're busy, but is there a way I can get some time off? My kid is sick. What days are you working this week? Monday and Wednesday through Saturday. Ask me on Sunday. But I won't be here on Sunday. That's the point. Get back to work. You're right. Terribly sorry, sir. Shouldn't have bothered you. I'll just video call him and make sure he's okay. Make sure you do that shit on your lunch break. Hey, DeAngelo Jr., how you doing?
I'm fine.
Hey! What do you think you're doing? Just having some lunch, boss. It's been 35 seconds since you went on lunch break. Your ass was supposed to clock out. Now we gotta deduct the whole hour. Yes, sir. My fault. It won't happen again. Oh, damn. My feet killing me. I think I'm gonna just sit down for the next 2 minutes and wait till the truck comes. Hey! What do you think you're doing? My feet are killing me. I have blisters. They're literally bleeding. I just wanted to sit down for literally 2 minutes until the next truck comes. That's 2 minutes. You can be wiping shit down. You could be sweeping. You could be working like you're getting paid to do. Get your ass up and work. You're right. Terribly sorry, boss. And that's why I don't convince people to make money. Think about that. They can go through shit like that, but I have to convince them to make 6 figures a year. I have to convince them to, basically get rid of a shitty ass boss like that. I have to convince them to pay $500 or $1,000 or $5,000 or however much it is when they are willing to go to college and spend 50, 100, 150 and so on, thousands upon thousands of dollars to be able to work for someone else that can do that shit to them. They won't be able to go and visit their kids when they want. They have to be told when they can and can't wipe their ass, when they can and can't eat, what to do when they're on their breaks, all of this shit. But I have to convince them to have a better life? Nah, don't convince people to make money, bro. And I know there's going to be some people that be like, well, not every job is like that, but isn't it though? If you go to the boss and say, hey, I want to take off all of next month. I'm like, no, you don't lost your rabbit ass mind. As a boss, as your own boss, you can do that. As a marketer, you can do that. With a business that runs on autopilot, you can do that. If I'm like, oh man, I really want to go on my phone right now. Oh, you can't do that. Oh no, put your phone away. Oh man, I'm hungry right now. I want to go grab something to eat. Oh no, you can't leave. You got to stay here on the campus for lunch break. I'm sure you guys get the point by now. But in a nutshell, what I'm saying is that you should not have to convince someone with that type of lifestyle that has a boss telling them what they can and can't do, when they can and can't go on vacation, how much money they're worth an hour, and so on. You should not have to convince someone that's in that predicament to be like, oh, bro, if you come over here, you'll be able to make 6, 7 figures a year. If you come over here, you have a business that runs on autopilot. If you come over here, you'll be your own boss. If you come over here, you better do this. If you come over here, you better do that. Your life will be way better. You won't have to worry about bills. You won't have to worry about any of that because you'll be making enough money to pay for everything in cash. You won't have to wait until next paycheck. Your bank account balance will never go under. You'll never be negative. You'll never have to worry about any of this stuff as long as you manage your money properly, of course. But you guys get what I'm saying. There is no living the paycheck, none of that. Being a marketer is one of the best things ever. It completely changed my life around. I was a broke college student, literally barely getting by. I would say I was worse than getting by. If I didn't have a good landlord, I would have been out on the street. Well, I wouldn't have been on the street. I could have just went back home. But you guys get what I'm saying. I would have got put out. Right? I fell 2 months behind on the rent. My lights got cut off for 3 days. I was in Kirby and I just wasn't selling and things just wasn't going good. I became a marketer. Now I was able to buy my house cash in 10 days. I went from not being able to pay $500 a month for rent. And yeah, I know for some of you guys that live in like California, that shit is like, oh my God, $500 for a month. Like, yeah, it's good to live in a place where rent isn't like $4,000 a month. But you guys get what I'm saying, right? Everything changed around for me after I became a marketer. Like everything. I was able to buy my Camaro that you guys see all the time, cash, 4 days, right? This house, again, cash, 10 days. I don't have any bills except for utilities. And that's it. And I make 6 figures a year. It costs me $500 a month to live. And I make 6 figures a year. Don't got to worry about nothing. I mean, on the worst of the worst days, that's $500. Right there, whole month taken care of. So yeah, guys, stop running around and trying to forcibly make people become business owners. Stop just trying to hand this out like it's a beat up ass flyer that no one wants. If they need to be followed up with them, I need to be followed up with. Oh well. If they have doubts, forget them. Stop trying to convince people to make money. If you try to convince someone to make money, they are going to fail. I'm just keeping it 100. That's why I don't respond to a lot of people, and I don't, take people's money and I refund people, because if I feel like if you aren't going to make money, I don't want your money. I don't want you to buy my course if you're not going to make money. I don't want you to be in Team DeAngelo if you're not going to make money. I don't want you to be in the Oryx Network if you're not going to make money. If you aren't making money, there is no reason for me to take your money. If you aren't serious about making money, there is no reason for me to take your money. If you are perfectly happy in your life right now, odds are you're going to fail as a marketer. I'm just keeping it $150. That's crazy, but that's really how it goes. If you're caught up on all your rent, caught up on your car notes, and just having an all around great life, odds are you will fail as a marketer because you have nothing to drive you. Well, obviously you can have all that shit and have something to drive you, but you guys get what I'm saying. Most people that get into this make this work because they have no choice but to make it work. If you have an option to not do the work, odds are you're just not going to do the work. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just venting or whatever. I don't even know at this point. We're just getting kind of far into the video here. But you guys get the point. Stop trying to convince people to make money. Just let people be. If they need to be followed up with, if they need to sit there and they need you to basically hold their damn hand and all this stuff, I'm telling you guys, just let them be. Be a business owner. Focus on getting your results and other people will just follow you. It's that simple. You don't have to worry about being in their inbox. You don't have to worry about following up with them. You don't have to worry about calling them every Tuesday. You don't have to worry about any of that. As soon as you just start making money, people are just going to go buy your course. As soon as you start making money, people are going to just start going to go buy your software, whatever it is you're promoting. As soon as you start getting results and you just put the results out there, you don't even need to talk to people anymore. No, nothing. Focus on getting results, guys. That's simple.